Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Lenny. Today I'm going to share with you some idea on how to add more picks on the ready-made fall centerpiece for a small table. This centerpiece, I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's very small and simple, a little bit kind of sparse. So I'm gonna add some more stuff in there, some more picks, so that it fills it up. And since it doesn't have any pumpkins, I'm gonna add 4 pumpkins, 2 pumpkins that are neutral, and some flowers. So let's get started. Okay guys, first thing first, we're gonna flip this over. And since this centerpiece is very uneven because of the metal stand for the candle, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna clip some of these twigs so that we expose the metal legs, and then it would even out the whole centerpiece. So all you're gonna do is kind of clip all the twigs and push it underneath the metal, just like that. I did all this already, the 2, so I just had to do the middle one to show you. Okay, now let's see if it kind of wobbles. Okay. So I'm just gonna bend it a little bit more forward, that way it doesn't wobble anymore. There you go. Now it's perfect. Now I'm gonna start, first thing first, I'm gonna start with the pumpkins. So I have 4 pumpkin picks here. And these pumpkins, it's gonna match with my table runner. Okay, so in order for you to do this, you're gonna need a wire cutter and the hot glue gun with the hot glue. So I've decided to do the end first. It's up to you. You can choose whatever color you want. You know, there's burnt orange, it's ivory, beige. So you can pick a certain picks that you want to put in the centerpiece to make it full. In my case, I've just decided to have these certain pumpkins because I love the way they look. Okay, I'm gonna bend this a little bit, like a curve like that. And then I'm gonna cut it like maybe 2 inch or 2.5 inch. Glue it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this at the end of the centerpiece. Just gonna lay it down, hold it. Now you can turn the stem which way you want it to go. I just prefer to go it up like that. Do it up like that. Okay. This centerpiece, guys, I got it for half off, 50% off, and they were like $30, so I got it for $15. And the picks was $5. They're like 4 something. With the plus tax, including the tax, then it's $5. But it was half off, so I got them for like $2.50 or 2 something a piece. Actually, I'm gonna do the both ends first. not the middle part. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just gonna stick it inside there where the other greeneries are and the picks, and it holds it. Also the glue will hold that. You can see like it's underneath there. And I'm gonna do the same thing as the other ends. Same thing. So far it looks good. You can choose any pumpkins you want or picks to add in there as long as it coordinates the colors. In my case, I just love the way fall looks, like with the burnt orange and a little bit of mustard yellow. I love those colors. And now guys, I'm gonna actually put the twigs. I think this is a pumpkin twigs. Now this one, I need to bend it a little bit more so that it lays just nicely like that. And I'm going to put it in the middle between the two candle holders. And it's going to stand up a little bit more. It's gonna stick out a little bit more. So I need to make sure that this is glued first and then secured in one of the wires. There's wires that ties this twigs to hold the centerpiece. So I just stick that in one of the wires, the loop of the wires. See, that's what it looks like. It's just standing up like that. And then another one on the opposite side. I didn't cut this one. I just bent it a little bit more so that it actually curves up like this. Okay, hold on. Here. I just curve it up, like push my thumb right there. And you're gonna put the glue right here and it's gonna sit right, you know, on the bottom. And then it's gonna hold it with the wire. So I just glued it right there on the very tip of it. And then I'm gonna find another wire to hold this so that it doesn't come off. There you go. Now last part is the flowers. I've decided to put flowers. That's up to you. You know, if you don't like the flowers, then that's fine. But I want to put more, a little bit of ivory so that it kind of breaks that too much orange in there. And what I'm gonna do with this actually is I'm going to put it like right underneath there between the two pumpkins. And those are the pattern that I followed to make this centerpiece more fuller, is to kind of balance it with two pumpkins on both sides, two pumpkins on the middle, and two pumpkins on the corner top. It's basically, it's almost like a corner right here. The one candle's gonna go here, and then the two candles would be in both sides like that. So the flowers are gonna go over here, and then another one here, and then the same on the other side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it. I actually took out the wire. It's just basically just a flower, and I'm gonna stick it inside. So basically this one is just gonna like sit underneath here. The greenery right there. It's like hidden just to cover the empty spot that's in the bottom there. So it's gonna look like that, guys. See, there's one opening right here. That's where the other flower is gonna go. Right there. Yeah. When it comes to centerpiece of florals, wreaths, I like mine full. It just look finished and beautiful. Okay. Another one. There you go. So your eyes draws to the bottom, you know, and it doesn't look empty down there. Okay, we're gonna turn it around the other side, and then we're gonna finish 2 more flowers. So instead of seeing the twigs that's empty, you see the flowers when you draw your eyes down there. I've seen a lot of videos in YouTube, and they have this centerpiece, and I want mine unique because everybody's buying the same thing, so I wanted to add something different so that it looks more unique. And you can do that too. I mean, right now it's $15, and that's not bad. I mean, you can't beat that. It's expensive to make the whole thing. So all I did is just kind of grab a couple picks that I love and then put it together, add it to my table arrangement centerpiece. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the table and then add some candles, and we'll give you a tour what it looks like, the finished look. By the way, guys, this is a real candle wax. This is from Home Goods, and it's a battery operated, so I love turning it on at night. And this is the one that looks like a real flame. It moves around. I don't know if you can see. There you go. And it kind of swing back and forth, back and forth. It wasn't expensive at all. It was like, I think like $15 for 3 sets. Now, small, medium, and large. But I bought 2 sets, so I switched. So this is actually the medium, and then I just used the 2 large. There you go. And I really love it. So let's put it on the table. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. And that's what the candle looks like. And the end of the table runner, it looks just like the pumpkins, guys. See? The color of the pumpkins. It looks just like it. I hope I inspired you to create some kind of unique table centerpiece for fall. If you have a little table like mine, that would be a perfect one for it. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching DIY with Lenny. I will see you next time. Goodbye.